Hi, I'm Shazib, and on today's episode for chapter 5, we're going to be talking about the fun facts. So let's get straight into it. So the fun fact is that, did you know that having a good credit score can save you more money? Because, for example, people with high credit scores often get lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, which means that they get to pay less over a continuous amount of time. So yeah, it shows how useful it is. And another fun fact is, do you know that the first credit card was introduced in 1950 by a company called Diners Club, and it was mainly used for restaurant bills. And also, did you know that your credit score isn't just about borrowing money? Some landlords, employers, and even phone companies check your credit to decide if they want to work with you. So yeah, it just shows that having a good credit score is really important. It'll come in handy if you have a good one. And did you also know that in Japan, instead of plastic cards, some people use credit built into their mobile phones? And the last fun fact is that did you know that the highest credit score you can get in the US is 850? But don't worry, anything about above 700 is considered good.